Welcome everyone to a new video where we'll be discussing ChatGPT's Agent Builder, alright? So here's the thing. If we could build an AI agent without much code that not only chats but also acts, runs workflows, calls APIs, and completes tasks end to end, well, theoretically we'd use ChatGPT's Agent Builder, right? The Agent Builder is essentially a visual tool, okay? It's OpenAI's visual approach to designing and deploying AI agents on ChatGPT and the OpenAI API, got it? Important note, we can't connect to other APIs, so if we want to connect to an API like Claude's, for example, we won't be able to. It provides blocks to orchestrate steps, okay, like all these you see here. It lets us manage the agent's performance and such, but, well, like all automation tools, really. And basically what makes it special, right? Because in the end, compared to N8N, well, this automation they're presenting as super innovative, we've already seen it back in 2020, 2022, right? It says it has a Canva-like visual aspect, which is basically the same as N8N. I mean, N8N is this here, okay? And I don't know about you, but between this and this here, okay? Between these two, I don't know about you, but I don't see much difference, okay? AI agents and AI agent consultants let us orchestrate agents in new ways and so on. Well, here they're showing us different use cases, right? We've saved 2 weeks of work thanks to this agent. Plus, in the end, the agents, well, obviously they'll need to have their functions. We can see that we have here data sets, prompt optimization, and trace grading, right? Track what's happening, though these things aren't really right. They're not exactly groundbreaking. So Agent Builder, just released, is an automation tool for use cases like customer service actions, handling changes, internal ops like data reconciliation, reporting, and complex desktop tasks like research, summarizing, and planning, got it? It's for product teams and developers using OpenAI who want to shift from chat to agent-based automation in ChatGPT. Basically, if you're from no-code or low-code, Agent Builder is similar to agent orchestration, right? And for back-end devs, it saves months of integration work and offers a more coherent interface and SDK, but not much more, okay? Right now, it's very, very limited. I mean, this is all we have, got it? So in N8N, I have this here. I click here, scroll down, click here, scroll down. Basically, we have multiple sections, thousands of nodes, right? Look at all these nodes here, see? Yeah, each one's a different tool, whatever you need. More nodes. Here, well, you've got this, and don't think it opens a new folder. It's just this, okay? It's not much, but we'll keep an eye on it, see what happens.